guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a pretty requested one. This has been requested on Instagram a lot by some of you guys, and it is my Space Buns tutorial. I did Space Buns a while back, probably in like April or May, I don't even remember. And some of you said you wanted a tutorial, so here we are. I'm sorry it took so long, but we're here now. If you guys want to see how I do Space Buns, then keep watching. So what you're going to need for Space Buns is some dry shampoo, brushes, hair brushes, a comb, hair ties, bobby pins, and hairspray. So I just took my hair out of my really messy bun, so I'm just going to brush it real quick. It is really knotty. I don't wash my hair every day, and I went to Hurricane Harbor, which is like the water park at Six Flags, and I went there, and before I shower, I thought I would do a hair tutorial just because my hair is super dirty, and that way the buns will stay in better. So I'm just brushing it out and making sure it is good to go. Now I'm just gonna add in my dry shampoo, and I'm using the Dove Refresh Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. This dry shampoo is honestly the best. I feel like I say that about every single one. Like, I've tried Batiste, I've tried OGX. This one is seriously the best. So I just like to spray this at my root and rub it in. I'm not gonna do it perfect, just because I am putting my hair up. And I'm also, this is like a little weird, but I'm also going to spray down here to give it some volume. This dry shampoo is really good with volumizing. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to section my hair down the middle with a comb. I don't do it perfectly. I have this annoying widow's peak. So sometimes I part my hair a little over to the left because I feel like that looks a little bit better some days. It really depends on my mood. So I'm just parting it as down the middle as I can get it. My hair is never perfect, ever. I'm also just brushing out my hair a little bit just to get any extra knots out. So now I'm just gonna go in with a hair tie just to separate my hair. This I just like to do whenever I'm doing anything where I have to split my hair down the middle, whether it's little pigtails, braids, anything like that, separate my hair. So next, I'm just going to gather up the hair that is not tied up, and I'm going to get it as high as I possibly can. And I'm going to try to get all the pieces. I feel like sometimes I always miss pieces. I don't know why. And at first, I'm going to try to make it flat, but I'm gonna make it a little not so perfect in a second because I like my hair to look just like a little messy. I don't know, I feel like it reflects me better. So it's as perfect as it's gonna get. For some reason, like the back of my head, I can never get perfectly flat. I don't know why. Now I'm gonna go on with these thin hair ties. I like to use these thin ones because one, rubber bands never ever stay in my hair when I'm doing something like this. They always snap, and they allow you to get the bobby pin in them. I feel like when they're the thicker ones, like this one, you can never get the bobby pin in. So these thin ones allow you to do that. So now I just took this out, obviously, and I'm just going to put this in another pigtail high up again. And I try to get them as even as I possibly can, just because like height wise sometimes it's a little hard, especially now because I'm my mirror behind you guys, that's like behind the camera, is really not tall at all. It's very low, so I have to slouch down, especially when I'm trying to make them even. I have both pigtails in. They're as even as they're gonna get. I don't know, my hair's just being a pain today. So next I'm just going to go in with a little bit of hairspray, and I'm just going to spray the tops, and I'm also going to spray the actual pigtails themselves. Ugh. I like to do that just to prep my hair for when I tease it. So now I'm going to go in with my brush to tease it. I like to use this brush just because it teases my hair best. This is all up to you if you want to use like a rat tail comb, whatever. These brushes just do a better job, I feel like. So I'm just going to pretty much tease by where the ponytail is the most, and then just tease a little bit at the bottom. And you can be a little rough. I never really tease my hair ever. So, you know, if you tease your hair a lot, don't be that rough. And don't tease your hair all the time because that's not good for your hair. And now you have this mess. So now what you want to do is you kind of just want to form them in the shape that you want. So it's pretty much like a top knot, really. So just twist away. And then you kind of just twist around the hair tie. And then this part gets a little confusing because I never know like which hand to use to hold the bun with. And then you just gotta place the bobby pins. So simple and so easy. I will probably use three bobby pins. I kind of did two on the sides and then one in the back. And if you want, you can always pull the buns to make them a little bit bigger and fluffier. That is all personal preference. So now I'm just going to repeat the process on the other side. Another thing to do if you want to make them a little bit messier is just like pull out your baby hairs. If you like that look, I personally do. Next, just to finish this off, I'm just going to spray with some more hairspray just to make sure everything's all locked and good to go. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna go shower after this, so I don't really have to lock in my hair. But yeah, this is what they look like all done. Kind of like Minnie Mouse. That's what I feel like. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions that you want to see in the near future, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see any hair tutorials, please let me know in the comments down below, because people always say they want more hair tutorials and I just don't know like what you guys want to see. So if you can leave me like specific things that you want to see, let me know in the comments down below. Tag me in pictures on Instagram or send them to me on Twitter, anything like that, if there's something you want me to recreate. So yeah, Twitter, Instagram, that's just like where I'm the most active. Send them to me there, tag me, whatever. And yeah, and if you guys have any comments that you just want to like say hey or anything, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.